what are we doing today?
We're gonna climb a mountain.
We are.
They said it's Quartzsite hill, but it looks like a mountain to me.
Looks like snow up there. We got our oxygen masks. We got our tents with us because it's going to be like a 4-day climb. But I think we can do it. Quartzsite Hill. Quartzsite Mountain. I don't know what you call it. We thought about taking Matt's Jeep up, but Maria wouldn't let us. So we are going to get up and see what all that looks like from just a little higher elevation. And of course take you guys along. And we have a group with us. Look at this.
Everybody. Oh, yeah. I did
yeah.
14
And the other
miles.
one's slower.
Good?
Oh yeah.
That was like my first climb ever. Was that?
Oh.
We
You
went with the
ready?
retreat. That's like Chip will do this, and well, his heart rate.
Is this the
was
first
like
campsite
80.
like Mount Everest? How you
Yes.
got different campsites? This is the
Base
first
camp,
one.
base camp.
We're at base camp right now.
Base camp, yeah.
We just come up that. It's about an 18% grade. Julie's checking her heartbeat.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't even check I didn't even put my walk thing on.
Round 2.
Put that camera down. I'm trying to take a picture of her. She's trying to take a picture of me.
There she is.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Thank you all for waiting.
Oh, made it.
No, we're all waiting here to see. You did it.
We got old mine.
Okay, it's time to go down.
I was going to say the same thing. All right, time to go. Get out of my Jeep. Let them have it, because they're going to make it down there in time.
There's one up here. It's so beat up you can't read it, but there's one up here.
Okay.
I got
I'm
water.
going to set the camera up so we can all stand like right there. Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, well, me and Karina came up last time.
Top of Q Mountain.
Hey, I want to get all the ladies by the flag.
There's Quartzsite.
Hey, baby.
As good as you can see it.
Turn around, look at me.
Way over there's the big tent.
He's out of here, huh?
He's out of here. He wants
All the BLM land.
He wants to film
Far as you
everybody
can
coming
see.
down.
On our ass.
Hi, ladies.
We did it.
Up in front of the flag.
Yay! Where's he going?
Wherever he wants to
Going back the way he went. Smart dog.
Your headlights on, Maria?
No, that's not the rescue coming to get us.
Waving though.
We did it! Took 8 hours, 52 minutes, 13 seconds.
Oh, you're gonna have to edit that down a little bit.
4 oxygen tanks, 2 flasks of bourbon.
It's like climbing Everest.
That's right. It's just right next to Everest right there.
Here, stop.
You know, zip back. Preferably. So that is a mine. Out in the middle of this desert. Well, say out in the middle, there's campers. Look at that.
I had that when I was going to go up there.
I said no, 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 no.
There's another block right down there. You see it?
Oh yeah.
And there's another piece of pipe.
Yeah, you can see it, yeah.
And,
That's how they did it.
and see over there, there's a metal thing
Way out there.
right in the,
I see it.
Yep.
Probably a tank they'd drive up and pump it off.
yeah, something. But I mean, if you go on the other side of the, if you go down to where Dwight went, there's a plaque down there. The story of this thing.
Really?
Yeah. No. I was just telling him that this is where we think they brought the water up, because they got this pipe. And they got some more down there.
Just wide open, vast country.
It's beautiful out there. Yeah. Oh, Nick.
So Matt found us a easy way to get in this mine. Oh. Julie says, another hill.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
There you go. You go in there, and then they go down in a tunnel. These? Yeah, honeybees.
There's a bunch of these. This is where I came up last time.
Oh, is this cool? But it doesn't really, it just dead ends right here. Whatever they did. Huh. So whatever's in there come through here and kept going. I wonder if they did ore or what they did. You know, I wonder, big old tank, but I wonder how old this is, because it takes forever for railroad ties to crumble away, and they're starting to crumble away.